For thousands of years, there has been a universal understanding on what triggers attraction between girls and guys. What has changed is how we gather food and interact with one another. But having these changes happen over the course of human history does not change the fact that the core triggers of attraction have always remained unchanged. We're still, for the most part, using our brains in the same way that they were used thousands of years ago. And the sooner that you understand this, the sooner your life will change for the better when it comes to attracting girls. You've heard the saying, girls like jerks. They never claim it, but they always do. Maybe not for the reasons you might think, but they still like them more than nice guys. When I was growing up, I was always told to keep my head down and to never make a scene. My dad worked overseas when I was young, and my mom raised me. The consequences of growing up without a father figure can go both ways, and it's very possible you'll face serious challenges in your future without the proper support system. Some people find a father figure at school to teach them about life. Others are very fortunate and can figure it out on their own. But for some guys, even if they have a father, they will never know the truth, which is what you're about to learn. You see, every girl's background and personality are different, but there are universal triggers in female psychology that they are susceptible to. There's a lot of misconceptions around how attraction works, but it can actually be boiled down to simple behavioral triggers. Think about this for a second. When it comes to relationships, the truth is that we're really a lot simpler than a lot of girls think. All we want is a beautiful girl who isn't crazy. It's that simple. But for basic physical attraction, we just want a cute girl who supports us and is going to make our life simple. And the most important facet of physical attraction for men is the girl's appearance. Now, what about girls? To understand this, we have to go way back to the dawn of civilization when our ancestors used to live in caves. What girls want in a man, which they think is the most important trait, regardless of time period, is mental fortitude. Sure, she might like you to be physically strong, but if you can show her that you have inner strength, then her attraction to you will increase 1,000-fold. This is what girls want in a guy, and it has been the same for thousands of years. This is the highest quality that girls are programmed to find attractive, and that's why self-confidence ranks above any other trait out there. You could be a billionaire and get all the attractive girls, but if you don't have any mental strength or confidence, then you'll never really grow into the man that you know you want to be. This is why confidence is the most attractive trait a guy can possess. Being confident triggers something primal in women's minds because it creates a feeling of safety. Self-confidence is really just another way to say that you are mentally strong inside. Tim Ferriss, an entrepreneur and author, said, "Face your fears head-on to become the man you want to be. To increase your self-confidence, you need to face your fears." When you dismiss the fear and embrace confidence, this positive energy that is contagious can be seen in everything that you do. For all of human history, girls have been looking for this one internal trait that makes a man attractive. Of course, your physical appearance makes a difference, but the one thing that drives them crazy is confidence. And the more confident you are, the more success you will have in life. This will lead to a happier life full of beautiful women, money, and great friends. Therefore, women like strong and confident men. When you push a button on an app, it always does what it's been programmed to do, and women are the same way. They're literally programmed to respond positively to assertive men. This is how it's been for all of time, and will probably stay the same. If you have enough self-confidence, you'll always have a leg up when competing with physical attractiveness or money or any other factor that girls might take into consideration. Women find those who have strong mental fortitude to be attractive. This is something real men are made of. Confidence is very appealing, and it's what men are naturally equipped. You'd simply need to develop it over time. After watching this video, do at least one thing today to face your fears instead of delaying it for tomorrow or next week. It may be uncomfortable at first, but you'll surely gain it. There will be moments that make you want to give up and live in fear, but as long as you stay focused and push through them, you'll figure out that it's not even real fears. Take note of what replaces your fear once it's over. Maybe you're not sure yet what step to take at the moment, or you think you're not yet ready. But remember that time is running out, and opportunities don't knock on the same door twice. Take the step as soon as you're ready and see how it feels, or else you'll never know. If you liked today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And before you leave, make sure you subscribe to After School Psychology, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any updates. We'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay tuned.